Medivh versus Illyria.
Tremble before the might of the elves.
Let the games begin.
I don't know if anyone just saw that, but that was bullshit. Wow. I can't believe that.
One day, I'll be a real knight.
One day.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hello, Wanderer.
Wanted, dead or
We're using
alive.
real swords.
Job's done.
The fuck? I don't have a fucking sword. I need to get an upgrade. Yeah. It's the only way to get a sword is to slinger an upgrade.
Greetings from beyond the best seats ever.
We're using real swords.
Re-attack.
Draw.
That's okay. I mean, I don't know how that works. Can I use this without a sword? Oh, fuck, man.
You smell like a leper now. You face death.
Probably should have killed that, but I was right.
One day, I'll be a real knight.
A second chance.
One day, I'll be a real knight. I mean, I've turned down all my settings, man. What the fuck? Wow. Wow. Really? That's how it's gonna be?
Wanted, dead or alive.
I can see my house from here.
Spell slinger. What the fuck? It doesn't want me to win. It doesn't want me to win. He multi-shotted me. Oh my god, another one. What now? Wrecking. Oh my god. Yeah, both trackings with lock and load. Oh, that's good.
The might of Dalaran has arrived.
Fucking 9 cards in hand.
The beasts obey me.
Don't be crushed. Okay. Oh, whoa. Let's get... You just get a taunt, I guess. Great. Keep that.
Behold! Job done.
No, bear trap. I'm lock and load. What? Flame strike and a fireball from Slinger. Wow. No luck.
Let's negotiate. You can see.
You know what? Those arcane missiles weren't that bad, actually. Pretty sure it's bear trap. Damn it, you got one of those. And you got that from Web Springer, huh? 9, 10, 11. You got me exactly damaged. Are you serious? They didn't want me to win. They just didn't want me to win. I've won twice. I've only won twice. He has a multi-shot into a fucking to a flame strike into a fireball. Oh my god. Then he locks and loads a fucking Tundra into a Mukla from Web Spinner.